Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to turn off the ticking noise when recording in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. As you can see, we have our audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to turn off the ticking noise that we have when recording ourselves. So I'm going to open up the audio recorder right here. This is going to go ahead and open up this new recording menu. So in this recording menu at the top of the screen, we have the big red circle that is going to go ahead and enable us to record. So once you press that button guys, it's going to start the recording process, and this is when the ticking is happening and it counts off your tempo. So basically guys, all you need to do to turn off that ticking is next to the big red circle, click this button which is your metronome. As you can see currently it's blue, which means it's activated. What you want to do is tap on it so it becomes white. This means it's turned off, and now your metronome and ticking is no longer going to be heard. So here in the upper right corner you have the settings icon where you can see you have your metronome and counting. So what you can do is go ahead and open up that. So select metronome and counting, and here you can go ahead and select if you want to turn on your counting. You can turn it off and the visual counting, and you can go ahead and select no sound as well, so you can just go ahead and change it to no sound if you still want your content and so on. So here are all the options that you can use. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.